work Kuwait. Mr. Bazooka, I'm working Kuwait. Bazooka. MP, good morning. Thank you for following me. Thank you so much. MP14, thank you. I am from Pakistan. I live in Saudi Arabia. Kef, Khalid, and Zen. Thank you for top the screen. Thank you. Good morning, good morning. Mr. Bazooka, thank you so much. Guda, thank you. Sabar, welcome. Excuse me. Mashallah. Bazooka. Abdu, thank you. Happy, welcome. Imran, welcome. Abdu, mashallah, mashallah. Rehan, thank you. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Zaidi, Mr. Bazooka, thank you for top my screen. Shukran Haider, I'm okay. User, welcome. User, wow, Mr. Emirat, welcome. Thank you so much to visit my abroad. Good morning, Sabar. Hussein, good morning. Abdul, thank you. Welcome, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gafar, thank you. Mr. Bazooka, thank you so much. Sabar Hussein, your sentry there. What? Suplada ready. Well, I'm not Suplada ready. You have just... Huh? Pinoy ako. Okay. Kumusta ka bayan? Because your name na, hindi mo ko pinapansin. Kasi yung pangalan mo hindi naman tunog ng yan, ng pangalan natin. Hi, Dem. Sabi ko, saan ka dito sa Kuwait? Dito po ako sa Adan. Sabar, thank you. Tap my screen, kabayan. Sabar, thank you so much. Sabar, wala, thank you. Kita na dito mo. This is normal naman. You know that. Hindi ko naman pinapakita. Ganyan kasi ang suot ko Of course, sleeping time. Kabayan. Tap ka na MD. Welcome. Baba mo pa. Hindi pwede. Amo ko, friend ko sa TikTok. Thank you. Tap guys, wala double tap. Sabar, thank you. Thank you for your finger. Kailan off mo? Supposedly today is my off na, but emergency coming inshallah. Next Friday inshallah. But mag-off ka na. I always going off. Sa may next Friday. Hindi naman ako ano ba yan? Minsan lang ako nag-day off kasi magastos mga anak ko, college Off mo ngayon? Dapat ngayon ang off ko pero nandito kami sa Shali, so next Friday. Ang off ko is twice a month. Sagot ko pa masahe mo. Wow, sana all. Paano kung wala akong pamasahe?